y'all are back at my channel. I'm hanging out with my girl Bernice, and if you don't know her Instagram, it's Crazy Cats B, so definitely check her out. She's gonna give us a tour of her Trackhawk. You can see it in the back, and you saw it rolling up at the beginning of the video. And then I'm also gonna do a quick walk around and tell you the difference between a Trackhawk and an SRT, because I always get those questions, so I'm gonna help y'all figure that out ASAP in this video, so definitely stay tuned. Let's do it. So y'all, we up here at St. Arnold's. Got the Trackhawk and the SRT. I'm gonna show y'all how to spot the difference. Y'all follow her. She's gonna show us some mods, and the first thing she's gonna show us is some stars. Yes. Because she just got those done, so pretty excited to see that. And y'all, I've been thinking about getting stars in my roof. Look how nice it is. I gotta put them in a little better, but let's see. Let me just close the door so you can see it. It's just a panoramic sunroof, so I was a little hesitant about it, but at night it really lights up. My daughter loves it. It really lights up. Like, yeah. Justin did a good job at ModFX. I love it. Y'all, she got the twinkle. Yeah. Should I get that? Yes. Y'all comment below. I know. I love it. She's already saying yes, so I love it. I think that's a winner. At night is when it, I mean, it glows during the day, but at night it makes a big difference. Gotcha. But yeah, I love it. Yeah, I know everybody's getting the stars now, so, and they're doing like the crazy patterns and all that other stuff. So, yeah. All right, y'all. I might have to put that one on the list for blue. Yes. So we'll see. All right, and I know you got some engine work, but let's check her out. And y'all, she got her carbon fiber pieces all looking all nice. I'm so jealous. I'm thinking of changing that steering wheel too to carbon fiber. Ooh, that would be nice. Yeah, that would be nice. That it lights up here or something. We got some engine work done here, y'all. It's a little dirty right now, but first thing I did was the cold air intake with the JLT, because the leg maker took too long. Yeah, that was supposedly the best one, but it was on hand, so I took that one. I ordered a separate PCM. We tuned that one, so I have the original one. Okay. And then we did the upper, lower pulley. We did the green, I guess, sport belt, whatever. Yep. The Mighty Mouse. Okay. Patch can. Yep. And flex fuel. So we went through stages. I think the first thing I did was an intake, and that brought it from like 12.1, which is normal in a quarter mile, to like 11.9 if I'm not mistaken. And then from there we went to, I think, 11.3 when I did the tune. And then once I took it to like the we haven't ran it in the track yet. It kept on slipping, but we still have to take it in. But it's in the 10s, 10 seconds. That's good. It's probably close to 1,000 horsepower. Yeah. It's that's what's up. Yeah, it's like a little roller coaster ride when you do the takeoff. Yeah. And I know I haven't ridden in a true Trackhawk, right? Because mine is supercharged, but it's not a Trackhawk. So you didn't got all this work done. So I might have to catch a ride one of these days and see what that feels like. For sure. And who did your tune? Mopar Powerhouse. Ishmael. He's awesome. He owns the Trackhawk himself. He knows all about these cars, all about the tune. He's the one that I only let work on my motor. Perfect. Yeah. I may have to hit him up pretty soon, because I'm in desperate need of a tuner. So he knows his cars. Okay. He's Mopar only. Yes. Look, I need somebody who know their stuff. Yep, because you see so much stuff out there, you definitely don't want that to happen. He's awesome. Yeah. All right, so we done got a sneak peek of her Trackhawk, so definitely follow her on Instagram if you haven't already, Crazy Cats B. But I do want to show you just a few differences between a Trackhawk and an SRT, because I oftentimes get the question, is it a Trackhawk? And the answer is no. But definitely has performance of, to keep up with the Trackhawk. So I'm gonna show you guys around real quick. So the first difference, like let's say somebody coming into, you can keep it open, because I'm gonna go under the hood too. So let's say somebody's pulling up, car show, car meet, you're in the front of them, you trying to figure out, hey, is this Trackhawk or SRT? The first thing that'll tell you if it's an SRT is the SRTs have this extra headlight piece built into the bumper, whereas Trackhawks do not. I think Trackhawks came out in 2018, I believe, so roughly around that time. So all of the new Jeeps have this front bumper. The thing is that the SRTs also come with that bumper, so it's not a for sure way to tell it, but it's a for sure way to know that if you see a Jeep with the extra light, that it is an SRT and not a Trackhawk. Another way to tell is
the color brakes. So you see mine have red brakes, and you know, obviously you can change your color brakes if you want to, but Trackhawk comes stock with yellow. I've asked people what color should I do my brakes because I'm probably going to change them pretty soon. Everybody tells me yellow, but the thing is that I don't want to look like I'm like, I don't want to feel like I'm perpetrating a Trackhawk.
Me when I wanted to change the color of the calipers, they're like, no, but that's a Hellcat thing, like, you know, Trackhawk. I'm like, okay. So
yeah.
I'll do the same thing.
Yeah. So y'all let me know. Do y'all think it's that serious for, you know, if I, yeah, right. It's what you want to do, right? Would I look crazy rocking yellow? I think yellow might actually look pretty good on the blue. But yeah, so I'm still deciding on that. But that's definitely another way to tell is if you have yellow calipers, it is a Trackhawk, or likely a Trackhawk. Most people with Trackhawks probably aren't painting their calipers different colors, but it's not to say that people don't do it. All right, let's go around to the back side. And then I'm looking at yours, and I see that I think you're debadged for the most part.
The Grand Cherokee part of it.
Okay.
That part.
Okay. Oh, but here's one. All right, so we got the Trackhawk badge right there, and
It
this
doesn't give you much info that it's other than Supercharged and Trackhawk in the back.
yeah, exactly. So
It doesn't tell you much about it.
So we got the Trackhawk piece. My Jeep is totally debadged, so I don't have anything outside of the Jeep emblem on there. So I just kind of ride as is. Another way to tell is you can see Trackhawks come with the quad tips versus an SRT comes stock with just the dual. So you got the dual tips and you got the quad tips. So that's another way to tell, like if you're coming from the back. Let's see. And outside of, you know, Crazy Cats B, she went in. She was like, I'm putting the Hellcat on there so people know that this is a Trackhawk. That's what's up. All right. And so I think the next thing, besides having some Trackhawk, you know, Trackhawk in the inside of the Trackhawk, if you have your hood open, like at a car show, I'm going to open up my hood just so that we can get a comparison. And honestly, this is probably not a fair comparison because y'all know I got some work done. Open this up. All right, so, and forgive me because under the hood it's a mess, y'all. I'm gonna fix it up, I promise I am. But for mine, you can see that it is Whipple Supercharged. That's aftermarket. So if you're at a car show, you see some Whipple Supercharged, that is not stock. It's something put on afterwards. But you see there's the SRT Supercharger that comes factory. Like she said, she had work done to it, so you know, definitely faster than how they come. But this is the look of how it would come off the lot, with the exception of all her fancy stuff she got in there. So a lot faster. Yeah, like I said, I'm definitely open. Yeah, and if you ever go to the track, let me know so I can come out there and we can like meet up, and that would be fun. Yeah, yep. I know y'all been crazy at work too. I just made a video about how life has just been. We just been overwhelmed. Everybody just need a break. So that's what we out here today. We are taking a break from everything and just gonna kick back and relax. So I want to wrap up the video for us looking at the Jeeps. And yeah, so yeah, no, I haven't either. And I've lived in Houston all my life. Right. All right, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all follow Crazy Cats B. She out here doing her thing. She gonna probably be on the track. We're gonna go watch her on the track. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is a video that will help you determine a Trackhawk versus the SRT. Then I done my job for tonight. I'll see y'all next time, and we finna go grab some grub and probably some drinks. So we're gonna enjoy the night. It's nice outside. Peace.